Now let us talk about properties of relation. So we have to study some important properties of relations. And what are these properties? Let me first name all these and then we'll see what are these properties. So the property number one is reflexive relation. This is property number one. And then we have irreflexive relation. This is property number two. Then third we have non-reflexive relation. Non-reflexive relation. This is the property number three. And after that we have the next group, which is fourth one. We say symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. And then the fifth one we have asymmetric relation. Asymmetric or asymmetric relation. And we have on the sixth place anti-symmetric relation. So this is the second group, and the last one we have transitive relation. So this is the seventh one. We say transitive relation. And the eighth, and we'll say the last property in this category, which is non-transitive relation. Non-transitive relation. Okay, so we have these 8 properties: reflexive relation, irreflexive, and non-reflexive. These can be called as in one category. And then we have these 3: symmetric relation, asymmetric, and anti-symmetric. We can keep them in one other category. And then we have transitive and non-transitive relation. We can keep them into the third category. So let us start with the first property, is the reflexive relation. So let us first see what is the definition of this reflexive relation. When we called a relation is reflexive relation. So a relation are on a set A is reflexive if ARA is true for all element A belongs to set A. Which means we can also write it in some other way, that is A comma A will belongs to R for all A that is belonging to set A, or it is also written as ARA for all A belongs to set A. So these are the multiple ways of writing the same thing, writing the same reflexive relation. Now let us understand this definition with the help of the example. Let us say that we have a set that is A equals to 1, 2 and 3. Then R is a relation which is defined from A to A, right, such that A comma A, definitely A will comes to A, the left A will comes to A and the right A will also comes to A, such that ARA for all A belongs to set A. Okay, so what will be this? This R will be 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. So here we can see that this R, it is fulfilling this condition that A comma A is here for all A that is belonging to set A. So we'll say that A is 1, then 1 comma 1 is here. If A is 2, then 2 comma 2 is here. If A is 3, then 3 comma 3 is here. So this R will be a reflexive relation. Let me write one more relation. If let us say R is something like this, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 3. So this will not be a reflexive relation. Why? Because this A comma A condition is not true for all A, because this is true for 1. Okay, 1 comma 1 is here. This is true for 2. 2 comma 2 is here. But this is not true for 3, because we should also have 3 comma 3 here. So this is not a reflexive relation. On the other hand, the above written relation is a reflexive relation. Let me give you one more example. If we have R with ordered pairs 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, and let's say 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 as well. So will this be a reflexive relation? Yes, this will also be, because for all three elements we have 1, 2 and 3 inside A. So for all three elements 1 comma 1 is true, 2 comma 2 is here, 3 comma 3 is here. So this is a reflexive relation. Doesn't matter what other ordered pairs are here. They can be present, they cannot be present, doesn't matter. The reflexive relations definition says that A comma A should be true for all elements into the set A. So this is reflexive relation. Okay, so this is reflexive relation.